Hey you guys, so for tonight we're going to have fish that I caught by myself. We're at Cave Run Lake and my husband's back there looking at me smiling because he knows I did catch these. I caught them at Save-A-Lot. So anyhow, these are sway fish and they're back in their freezer section. I got them in Moorhead and they are delicious. Big fillets fish. So that's what we're having for supper. Let me show you how I do it. So I've got my milk and eggs right here. I think I got 3 eggs to a cup of milk. So we're just going to start putting them in here. Right. Then our dry mix. You all know that I like Weisenberger. And I'll show you what it looks like. You can get it at Kroger. I like it for my fish or fried green tomatoes, zucchinis, anything like that. Okay, we're just going to stick them down in here. Got about 5 fillets in that one pack. And that's all you do. You just put it in your milk and eggs. And then in your dry batter. It's been cool all day like in the 70s, but now it's getting hot. And I'm about ready to go out on the water. So there's your big piece of fish. Going in here. I don't think my pan's as hot as I need it to be, but it'll get there. Okay, so be right back. Alright, so we got our fish going. We got it salted and peppered and the grease is good and hot. So here's another little something I like to do. So you'll have some of this, your Weisenberger. This is your Weisenberger fish batter. It's made in Kentucky. So you'll have, when you have some of that left, I've got some that they don't really like fish, but they like the crumbs. So just take you some of your crumbs from that, put it right down in your milk and your eggs, and mix that up. Just get your little dough ball, kind of the wet, and drop it right down in your grease. That way you'll get some crunchies in there. See that? Alright, that gives me some more crumbs. Alright. Now over here, I've got my water boiling because several of you blow my mind and told me that you all did not know what macaroni and tomato juice was. And growing up, a lot of times that would be our supper. That would be the one thing that we had, and it probably would be one of my last meals on earth is macaroni and tomato juice. So I couldn't just do a video on that because that's all it is. It's macaroni and tomato juice. So all you do, get your water boiling, and I'm going to use about a half a box of these because I don't want a bunch. So just about a half a box of your elbow macaroni. And I don't have bacon grease. I usually will put a spoonful of bacon grease. So I'm just going to give it a little splash of cooking oil. Just like a teaspoon. Alright, now when I cook my macaroni, I don't like mine overcooked at all. I almost like them just about half done. Just soft, but not, you don't want to get them mushy. So just cook those just a few minutes until they start getting soft, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So our macaroni, you let all your water as much as possible drain out of them. And then, now some people like macaroni and tomatoes, and I do too, but I prefer macaroni and tomato juice. And I canned this last year. So out of the garden is the best. Now, while I took a break a while ago, my skillet decided to go kapooey, so I put it in this one, and I let this because I want to show you all, when you go to turn your fish, chicken, or anything, instead of using one spatula to where that you knock off all of your breading that you don't want to do, use two. There you go, just like that. Alright, you guys, there is your... I try to hurry in these videos. I hope I'm not going too fast. I hope I'm not going too slow, but one thing, I'm going to be real. I'm not going to... I've seen some of the craziest videos. I'm not going to like lick around on my food in front of everybody and act crazy just to get views. But there's your macaroni and tomato juice. The ones that said they have not tried that, I pray you all try that, because it is one of the best foods in the world. Okay, and there's what your fish is looking like. And that was from Save A Lot. And listen, I'll see you guys next time.